Hello! I am going to solve a Rubik's Cube. Pick a side. White. That's good, let's do white. Do that. And, I learned how to solve this through an online walkthrough of how to solve Rubik's Cube. I'll probably put a link in the description. My Rubik's Cube doesn't work properly. Just getting caught on nothing. It's very simple once you figure out how to do it. But learning it took me about a week. I can now do it in 2 minutes if I rush. I'm not saying I'm a pro at solving it or anything, I can solve it. Which most people actually can't solve it. Oh, I'm not wrong. No. The videos telling you how to solve it are really clear and everything. They're all in steps as well. So you solve the bottom first, the bottom layer, then the next layer, and the next layer. Hold on, sorry I'm missing one. Now I've done this, I want to get a 4x4x4 Rubik's Cube. Which is 4 cubes long, 4 cubes high, and 4 cubes depth. Which would be quite achievement if I manage to do that. It's really nice. I don't know how long this one's going to take me, I'm not exactly rushing it. Nearly got the bottom layer. Or second layer even. Yeah. Second layer done, bottom done. Now I got to do top. Which isn't lined up at all. Not very good, is it? Well, none of them. What? Hold on. Huh? Oh, that wrong. I'm good at. No. Oh, balls. Have I done it wrong? I have to save this. Why? Right. Yeah, you did that wrong. Huh? Why the hell? I forgot how to do it. No, this isn't. Oh, this is great. Now I got that bit like that. Look, see what I did there? Huh? I knew I'd fail on camera. Huh? What? There we go. Let's see if I can have that. No. There we go, yeah, stupid man. 3 minutes already, bloody hell. Maybe about 4 minutes probably. Nearly done. I'm gonna mess up because I forgot the algorithm, which is basically a series of twists and turns to get one piece to another, or to change the shape or something. Rubik's Cube. Took me 4.5 minutes, which is long. My dog's snoring. Yeah, some things you can do. You can do certain things once you've solved it. Make patterns in the cube itself. Do on that, so it's all mix the shapes, you see. All I did was basically twist the middle one 180 and then twist the right one 180. And then spin it up again. And like that. Another one. Is the middle one has changed. Yeah. Oh, that one hasn't, so I'm gonna do it. So yeah, thank you for watching this short video of how to solve Rubik's Cube. I don't know how to do it one-handed or in 6 seconds, so don't ask. Yeah, thank you for watching and bye.